Engine.
It is engine.
Ooh, thunder.
Yes.
Engine's coming out. Well,
It
not
looks
really.
very Saab-ish now.
I guess.
I think it looks like a Saab.
I mean, Saab did make a version of this thing.
Yes. So we're all here, empty up, just to fix the tic-tacs going on over here.
Yeah, we had to take all this thing out just to get to the ticks.
Yes.
But we also got to get the lumpy stick out from back there.
Yeah, so John went, oh no, my engine's broken, so now I need a cam and heads and all the racing good.
Well, I didn't get a new intake manifold.
But things mint.
Oh, it is mint. So, I'm taking this Johnny off. Grant's taking all those Joneses off. And then we followed by those Johnnies, and it should be mint.
And then by those, you said what? John's, Jones, and...
Jim's.
Jim's. Yes, Jimmy's.
Yes. Grant, look. It's a Miata. Fans. Cathedral ports. A lot of bugs and a lot of icky. We've gotten this far on the build. I'm sweaty. I'm hungry. What's that? Do you hear that?
I don't know what that was. I think it was that guy passing by on the Nissan.
Anyway, so we got most of the stuff off. We can't get the fuel line off because of the cone thing.
You need a little tool that inserts like a cone in there.
Yeah, so next we gotta take this Johnny off and those Johnnies and then this Johnny and this Johnny. But this is completely unbolted and it won't move. I'm so happy, so excited. And there's thunder. Bye, Aiden!
Alright, just going to the gym.
Aiden's going to the gym.
Oh my god.
We're proud of him. Anyway, that's our update. We'll be in the next cutscene. You will see us in a different update, which will be a few hours for us, but for you'll be right now. All right, fans. So we finally got the Trailblazer in a million pieces, and it seems like the problem was this bumpy plate was all messed up. As you can see, he's got a bunch of little skip marks on him. There's a flat spot over there somewhere. Bad news.
Oh, yeah. So, we're going to put it together today, and we've been just waiting for days on parts because Chevy and mail.
But now we have this fun guy. So that should be a good time. And now we're scraping stuff.
Yep, and I got to make some new bearings for the lift rockers. Those are the words.
So fans, Grant, we found some not so precision on our precision racing component heads. These little guys here. Seems like they don't touch the valves though. This one's like a magnifying glass.
Yeah.
But about to put them on. Cam is in.
Yep, we're going to put them on. It'll work.
We're gonna let them know though.
Yeah, we're going to let them know. They don't go into the valves, so the valves won't leak. It seems like it's fine, just... Let's see.
It's not that back there at least.
Hopefully it's not. We've never opened up those heads.
It's still pickled.
It is pickled.
Ah yes, big day with 2 different head gaskets. All the fun little mishaps, huh? At least they ain't iron.
Oh, they never were.
I mean, it's easier to put on Corolla's old iron heads.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool. Now I just need head bolts.
Yep.
May I have them?
You may. And like that, boom, the PRC heads are on. The thing is timed. But that was fun doing the torque angle with the compass on my phone.
That was annoying.
Very exact, right?
Uh-huh.
Grant,
Yeah,
look.
just give us a torque.
A fitting.
Yeah, that's a fitting.
Are you enjoying yourself?
No.
How are you on this great Trailblazer day? The heads look cool, though.
When it's done, it's done.
Well,
Really helped.
we got the stock intake manifold on, which is actually kind of tall.
The thing's wicked tall.
For high RPM, right?
Absolutely. For your truck engine, that needs to be high RPM.
I mean, a lot of people take these and put them on boosted cars. These intake manifolds from Trailblazers.
I wonder. You're not boosted.
Not yet.
No. Maybe it needs to be. Maybe we got to keep it.
We're gonna put a blower there. Or like I guess a Pro Charger would be easier to put on.
Could that fit on a 5.3?
Oh yeah.
Oh, brother.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely make a nitrous 5.3 with that thing, aren't we?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Sounds like a good plan. Let's get this thing working first. All right, so we got one valve cover on that has on. It's pinning at the bottom there, as you can see. Right there, and it's pinned right there. So we'll see if it leaks or not. We're praying it doesn't. But it looks, we still gotta get that side on, but
It looks like it fits really well.
it looks pretty gnarly in a Tibby. Like, that looks good in an SUV, Grant.
Yeah, I think it'll fit well because it started hitting. We have a little dent right where it's hitting, so it should be okay.
Well, next we're just gonna next is just dress it up.
Dress her up and fire her up.
Oh, I'm scared of that.
Yeah, it's no less.
Grant, we haven't posted in like a month.
I know, it's horrible. Everything's just been taking so long.
Between this and the Corolla.
The Corolla's been funny.
The Corolla's clutch has been funny, that's why we haven't posted that.
I've taken the engine in and out 4 times. It's not fun. Ready?
Yep.
Well, it might go away with that. It did a little backfire there. Try again. It's like the IAC's out. It's like the idle air control's fighting it something.
It has oil pressure.
There's not really any there's no vacuum, so I don't know what it could be. Right? We didn't unplug any vacuum stuff.
No.
I don't know what the could be. Tips.
Mass airflow sensor.
What's it saying about the mass airflow?
It's saying that there's a problem with the mass airflow sensor.
How so?
Let's see. Circuit high frequency. Repair. So it's just saying 103. All right. Mass airflow sensor. We're just going to clear it because we like... Oh, intake. We have the camshaft position sensor again. That's a fun one.
How many codes do we have?
Mass airflow. Intake camshaft position sensor performance. So that's the same one. Try it. Ah, doing the same thing again, huh?
It's surging.
Well, hold on. Put it back in. Mass airflow. Mass airflow. Just mass airflow this time.
No cam sensor?
No cam sensor. So let's check the plug on it. And apparently they said they don't know why this doesn't. Pull it outside. Still a little bit of a purge, but you know, let's go. They said to drive it.
Grant, you've been like in almost this whole entire video of my car, but hey, you're driving it.
Yeah.
What do you think?
throttle's more sensitive. Does sound like a sewing machine in the front. It's all okay.
It is all okay. I mean, it seems like it's a lot quicker, or at least more peppy.
It seems like it's peppier on the lower end, which is what you want. So yeah, it doesn't seem exactly like a transmission buster, which might be a good thing in the long run.
And it doesn't chop really. Pull it back in the garage so we can have it level flat so we can check the trans fluid. She's a chopping. All right, fans, so we finally have the Trailblazer all together. And this is the first time actually seeing her in one piece, outside, not in the backyard, in a very, very long time. It's absolutely disgusting, and it's completely like full of tree sap and pollen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, and then we'll take it for an actual ride around town so we can maybe get a little chop. The idle is still high, so might have to get that fixed, but overall I think after like 8 months the Trailblazer's back. Seems to work. All right, I'll give it a little half rip here. I mean, still on stock trans, still not broken in, but you know what? We'll give her a little like half, 3/4. So my merge didn't film, but here's a 60 to 80 little 3/4 throttle action. Sounds gnarly. It shifts really, really hard though. All right, fans, and that's a quick wrap of the Trailblazer video. Sorry I wasn't able to rip it. I'm still just kind of like feeling it out and seeing how the new cams and heads how the trans can handle the new cams and heads, you know, and plus we're still kind of breaking it in. I'm going to change its oil again, then I'll probably really beat on it. But the other thing is, if this trans goes, this thing's going to be sitting for a really long time because we're not going to be able to get to this until we finish the Corolla, put a body on it, and get to the Monte Carlo. And that's going to be a really, really long time, especially if we're doing it in this little garage. So until we get like a crap box shop, I mean, I'm just going to kind of, unless one day I'm feeling frisky or something, you know, decide to just send it. But she'll be a good cruiser. But for now, we might get her a little rip in or two. But I believe the Homie Hauler Party SUV is back. So more content on this thing coming soon. Probably going to get some actual better rips out of it once I start to trust it more and see how the trans operates with it a little bit. It's been, it has a stock torque converter, and it's been really pushing through, like coming to a stop. So I've been having to flip it in neutral. Otherwise, you just feel just like, whoa. Kind of like lug on itself. And it idles way too fast. It idles at like over 10 miles an hour. So, you know, little to be desired. I mean, aftermarket cam heads on a stock torque converter, stock trans. But you know what? We'll have fun with it as much as we can. I mean, it's still a all-wheel drive SUV. It's not so much we can really do with it, but don't worry. Next week, I actually have a Corolla video finished for you guys, so that'll be coming out next. We have Bronco content I guess we can film soon. It's running. It's been doing good, so maybe we'll go get this out, but I'm going to be out of town for a while, so while I'm gone for a few weeks, Grant is going to be doing completely Corolla body stuff for the wide body kit. We'll explain that more next week. So please like and subscribe. We'll have a new video for next week. If you like this video, hopefully I'll have more content for you for next time. Bye-bye.